watercolors or?
It is mainly just watercolors. I even have those paintings. Do you want to see them?
Yes, but we don't have much time. But please, I would love to.
Okay, so this is my favorite one. It's like a forest painting.
Wow, this is beautiful.
Thank you. And this
Wow.
one I made for the day of Hareli. Can you see?
Okay. Yeah.
Even Hareli wasn't during summer, but I still made it. And this
All
forest
right. Yeah,
painting.
Jagannath
Yes,
Yatra, I think, because of that.
yes. And my first
Wow.
painting during this summer vacation was this beach scene, kind of.
So cute. This is
Okay?
so
And I
cute.
just
Okay.
copied the whole content of the web page. So
Okay.
I just did not use any mind of my own, just like a little bit mind where the designing part and
Okay.
writing little thing.
Wow. Okay. You
Yeah,
taped it, but then how you can't make it again, right?
yeah, yeah.
But you're okay with that. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Great. All right. How much time did this take?
It took 4 hours. I took a little bit help of my mom. Good afternoon.
It is apparently after 6 o'clock, after 6 p.m. It's apparently supposed to be evening, but I find it very weird. Like,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
4 o'clock feels evening. I don't know
Yes,
why.
even like around 5 o'clock, it's like it has to be called evening. 5 o'clock
Exactly.
cannot be called afternoon.
Right. I think, this rule was set according to the, I don't know, European or the Western side, because their evening happens quite late because of the
Yeah,
sun setting late. Maybe that's where it got,
maybe,
like, that is
maybe,
how the norm was set. But
maybe.
yeah.
Hmm.
Anyway, how are you?
I'm doing good, and I'm extremely happy today.
Uh-huh. Why? Any special reason?
Because from Monday our schools are going to start. So what happened was that for my
Mm-hmm.
vacations I was somewhere else, and today I came back home, and my
Okay.
schools are going to start.
So you're very excited for it, right?
Yes, yeah.
Last weekend before your school reopens.
Yeah.
So do you want to do anything special today? To celebrate or
um,
generally, no?
nah, not decided
Mm.
anything.
All right. So do you not feel that? So how long was your vacation for?
Okay,
How many
so
days?
vacation our vacation was supposed to be from 1st of May to 16th of June, but
Okay.
but I live in the state of Chhattisgarh, and Chhattisgarh
Mm.
government extended the vacation for 1 week because of the extreme heat. So
Right.
now the changes were made, and it became 1st May to 26th of June.
Right. So was it
Yeah.
too long for you or was it okay?
I think
Like,
it was okay, but it could have been shorter. I did not have any problem with it being shorter.
okay. So this extra 1 week that got extended, were you disappointed when that happened?
I mean, a little bit. I was
Uh-huh.
disappointed a little bit because the main thing that I was disappointed about was our schools would start on 16th. That was on
Uh-huh.
Friday. They were supposed
Right.
to start on 16th Friday,
Right.
and on 17th there was this bagless day in our school where I think we were supposed to like do some fun activities. I'm not sure what they would make us do as those fun activities, but there
Okay.
was a bagless day on 17th. But since the vacations got extended, the 17th June bagless day just got cancelled totally.
Okay. So it was a new thing completely. Bagless day. So you weren't
Yeah,
like what was it supposed to be? You don't know what was it supposed to be about,
yeah,
right?
I'm not sure. I think it was the fourth bagless day of this session. So we had
Okay.
three other bagless days in April, in the month of April.
Okay.
But on all the
Okay.
other three bagless days that were conducted in April, we had a quiz contest, a music
Okay.
contest, and I think one special assembly for I think some festival. I do not know. I think it was Baisakhi or something. I'm not sure. But this
Right.
one on 17th, we do not really have any events as such, and there
Mm-hmm.
aren't any festivals that are approaching, so we do not have any occasion to celebrate. So
Right.
I was actually curious on what they'll make us do on that backless day, because on the other days we just had some assemblies and celebration of festivals. But this time it could have been something new, but
Right.
got
You
cancelled.
would never find out now, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So wait, bagless day. So are you not supposed to carry your books and bags? Is
No,
that
we just had to go to school for like 3 hours and that's it.
okay? That's cool. So cool. Sounds like I don't know, just like a gala time. We have never had these kind of things in our school time. I'm a little jealous. I
Yeah.
hope another bagless day gets scheduled in the next month or something,
Yeah,
right?
let's see.
Yeah. Okay. And I see your bookshelf is back, but I think that's a different bookshelf. Is the
No,
same
it's the
one?
same. It's the same.
Okay. 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 Then that's the one. I
I
can
just
see your
rearranged it. I just rearranged it a bit.
right. Exactly. It looks different.
Yes.
Okay. And I can see your Harry Potter collection right there.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There it is.
Exactly. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Uh,
Feels good. Have you read all the books?
I have read it once and I'm like thinking of reading it twice again.
All right. I had read my first Harry Potter book. I think it was the fourth one. That was my first book. Before that, I just watched. Have you watched all the movies?
Yes, I have.
Do you have a preference, like which you like more than the other between
No,
books or movies?
no, as such, no.
Okay. Are you a Harry Potter fan? I am guessing because you have read the
I'm
entire.
kind of a fan.
But like not a huge, crazy
No,
Potterhead.
no.
Okay, okay, okay. Did you think it was a little overrated based
No, it
on the
was good. It was
it was
good.
good, but it
Yeah.
wasn't like crazy good. So is there anything you feel which is very extremely amazing? Anything that you have ever come across like that? Something
The
like
storyline, I think the storyline was amazing because J.K. Rowling, she created really good characters, and just to think of this whole imaginary fantasy situation and creating so many characters and giving them these personalities, it was such a wonderful
right.
thing done by her.
Absolutely, absolutely. Yeah, I it blows my mind. I'm not at all creative,
Yeah,
so I cannot make stories. I can't. I just can't. So I don't understand how people make stories and how people write
yeah,
fiction. Just
yeah.
beyond me. Are you, okay, so our topic is similar to that. So I was going to ask, are you creative in any way? And yeah, topic today is art,
Okay.
right? So yeah,
Yeah.
are you creative in any way? Do you do anything like writing, music, anything?
I do a few things that can be called creative. I first of all like to paint. I like to do that.
Mm-hmm.
And I love to play the keyboard, and I'm also learning how to sing.
Yeah, you said
Yeah,
that the last time, right? I
yes,
think
yes, I did.
I remember that.
And lately
Mm.
I have gotten into puzzle making.
Oh, okay. So like, what kind of puzzles?
So there was this puzzle, like this jigsaw puzzle, I think it's called, of the.
Okay, okay.
Yeah,
Right,
I
right.
just created a jigsaw puzzle of the Eiffel Tower very recently. I can even show it to you.
Okay.
It's just like kept right there. Should I
Wait a
show it
second.
to you?
Yes, yes, please. I would love to if you're okay with it.
Okay, yeah, it's just this. Can you see it?
Oh, nice. Yes, yes, yes. Is this the picture or is this the actual
No, this is
puzzle?
the actual jigsaw thing. I just taped it
Okay.
all together. I just taped it, the whole thing.
Wow. Okay. You
Yeah.
taped it, but then how you can't make it again, right?
Yeah, yeah.
But you're okay with that. Okay,
Yes.
okay, great. All right. How much time did this take?
It took 4 hours. I took a little bit help of my mom as well, like just to sort out the colors,
Right, right.
the corners. I took a little bit of help from her, but I think that's it. It took 4 hours for me to complete it.
Okay, must be interesting, right?
Yeah.
I right. The sky must be the most difficult part because
Yes, there are a
it's
lot of
like
gradients. Yes.
yes, yes. And I
Yeah.
just see like one like from here I could just see basically
Yes.
one color, a little
Yeah.
bit of
It's
shading,
very
but
similar. Very similar. It's just like
yes,
this
yes.
light pinkish shade that we see during sunset. And it's so confusing. I just have to like try all the pieces like one by one and see if they
Right.
fit.
Right, right. So, I also have a jigsaw puzzle. So earlier when I was a kid, there
Yeah.
we had jigsaw puzzles, but it was like 24 pieces, like the
Oh,
very small ones, right? So
yeah.
each piece would be this big and the entire picture would be this big. So
Yeah.
you could solve it within 2 minutes. But now I have gotten one, something like that. It's a
Okay.
huge one and it has tiny pieces.
Mm.
But yeah, I have not yet had the courage to start it. Plus, I
Yeah.
need some space, where you have to keep it if you
Yeah.
want to take it, if you want to solve it in breaks. I
Yes.
have no place in my, like, no space where
Yeah.
I can, yeah, anywhere. So when did you do this?
Just a few weeks ago, I think.
All right. Was it interesting?
Yeah, it was interesting, but the thing is that I had decided that I will complete it in just one sitting in one day,
Mm-hmm.
and I will like clear this whole area on my ground because I do not really have any big
Mm-hmm.
area as such where I can keep it.
Exactly.
Yeah, so it was a little annoying to like clean out the space, but
Hmm.
it was amazing. I enjoyed it.
Okay, so you did complete it in one day.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah. See, that's the problem. If you want to take breaks and you want to do it over 2 to 3 days, then you can't. At least in my house, I can't. I know that. That's why I'm not starting. Okay, I have another question. What about your annoying projects? What
With
happened? You had some
oh.
annoying projects last time. We were complaining and discussing that.
There
Remember?
was this one chemistry project. It was just so weird. We had to write a whole theory, a whole practical file of like minimum 6 pages on like boiling effects of impurities, on freezing
Yes.
point and boiling point of water. Oh my god, that was an awful project. But what I did was that I took a lot of help from Google. I just found a whole page, like a whole web
Mm-hmm.
page where the same topic was there, and I just
Okay.
copied the whole content of the web page. So
Okay.
I just did not use any mind of my own, just like a little bit mind where the designing part and
Okay.
writing a little bit. But I just
Yeah.
copied the whole web page and I wrote it in like a word file on my laptop and saw
Mm-hmm.
how many pages it took, and I realized that it was only 4 pages, and I had to write for 6 whole pages.
Oh my God. 2 more pages.
Yes, 2 more pages. So what I did was that we had different categories, subtitles,
Mm-hmm.
kind of that,
Okay.
objective, methods, conclusion,
Mm-hmm.
observation, and these.
Right, right.
Yeah. And what I did was that I copied, not exactly copied. Let's say that I wrote something for the method part.
Mm-hmm.
And I just like changed the few words like here and there, just changed the grammatical
Paraphrasing.
structure. Yes, but the whole
Right.
content was the same. I copied that for observation and repeated the same thing for conclusion.
I feel you. Like, this is how you have to, expand the number of words when you don't know what else to do, and you don't
Mm.
have any other content.
Yeah, and the thing is that our teacher is not going to read that many pages. 6 pages
Exactly.
for each student. That's around like 40 into 6 pages. Oh my god, that's too much. Our teacher isn't going
Nobody's going to read that. No, absolutely.
to.
Especially the same topic,
Yes,
right?
yeah.
Again and again. And I'm pretty sure a lot of people would have copied from the same place where
Yeah.
you have, right? Because everybody is using the
My
internet these
friends
days.
asked for help and they asked me that where I was getting all the content from, and
Uh-huh.
I referred them this website, and I think many of our contents would be the same, but I
Same,
don't think that who
exactly.
is going to care.
Right, right, right. And like, it's not like cheating if everybody's copying from the internet, right?
Yeah.
And it's actually your fault. Why would you give such a boring topic, which nobody can be creative on this, right? They have to copy.
Yes.
Okay, but I'm glad you're done with it.
Yeah. Finally.
Must have felt like a sigh of relief, right? When it
Yeah.
finally completed.
Yes.
All right. So tell me, what are you most excited about on Monday? What are you most excited about? What do you want to do?
Okay, so we had a Monday test. It's called a Monday test. It's like exactly a sessional test, and it's usually scheduled on Monday. So we just call it
Okay.
Monday test. But
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
since the vacation was just too long, and students haven't interacted with their teachers for almost 2 months, they
Right.
decided they'll not have the Monday test on Monday.
Oh.
And I think one of
Okay.
the reasons is also that in some classes, the syllabus for the test wasn't completed yet. They haven't
All
covered the
right.
syllabus yet, so they did not have the they do not have the Monday test on Monday.
Okay.
they have actually changed it to Tuesday. So now we have a Tuesday test.
A Monday test that will be held on a Tuesday, right?
Yeah. So I think the most
Okay.
exciting thing would be just like connecting with my friends and just asking them that where have you been all summer and just talking to them, just like
Right.
interacting with all of them. I think that would be the most like, fun part.
Right. Actually being in the physical presence of your friends and your peers in the classroom, right?
Yeah. And I'm extremely happy that they just changed the Monday test to a Tuesday test this week.
Yeah, otherwise it would have started on a stressful note. The
Yes.
first day you have to appear for a test.
Yeah.
So wait, the classes which have not covered the syllabus, will they be able to cover it in just one day and then they have to appear it the next day?
I mean, they
Appear
have
for
to
it?
cover it. They don't really have any option.
Okay, that's like sad for them. All the best to them.
Yeah. Even
Right?
in our class, we haven't completed the history syllabus. The
Okay.
whole the syllabus for the Monday test is like economics, geography, and history. We have completed economics and geography. We had completed economics and geography in April, but history,
Okay.
few pages were left, and there
Okay.
is no history class on Monday for our particular class. So we
Okay,
don't
but
know what will happen. I think our history teacher will like
right.
take someone's session, take some other subjects class, like
Maybe we substitute it so that yeah. Okay, wait. So all classes, so all the periods you'll have a test on Mondays. Do you have a test?
no, just like
No.
a 40 minutes test in the beginning at like 7 a.m. based on
Okay.
social science. Yeah, that's it.
So which subject will that test be on? You
It's
do
it's
you not?
social science, and in that social science there will be economics, geography, and history.
Okay. I did not know economics also comes under social science. All right.
Apparently, it does.
Yeah. Actually, like I said, I was an ICS. I mean,
Hmm.
maybe you don't remember, but yeah, I was an ICSE, so we had everything different. Like there was no social science as such.
Yeah,
We had, but that was in earlier junior classes.
yeah.
Right. Okay, all the best. Are you prepared for that test? Like, even though it's not on Monday, it's still going to
Yeah,
be on Tuesday. So are
yeah.
you prepared for it?
I am really confident for geography and economics, but for history, I have
Yeah.
prepared it. But studying without a teacher because our teacher hasn't completed the whole syllabus yet, I'm a little like unconfident because our teacher
Yeah.
hasn't discussed those subjects, those topics in class.
Right.
Yeah,
Yeah. So that's understandable. So I hope she covers that part of the syllabus on Monday.
yeah, me
And
too.
right. All right. So you mentioned painting. So I think that also you mentioned the last time, if I'm not wrong, right?
I think so. I
No?
don't
I don't
remember.
know. Keyboard I remember because I asked what do you do in your
Yeah.
free time. So that
Hmm.
is when you talked about keyboard. So did you get the time to paint this time?
Oh, yes, I did get the time to paint, and I made a few paintings this summer.
Wow. Okay. And what do you like? What kind of paintings do you make? Like watercolors or
It is mainly just watercolors. I even have those paintings. Do you want to see them?
yes, but we don't have much time, but please, I would love to.
Okay, so this is my favorite one. It's like a forest painting.
Wow, this is beautiful.
Thank you. And this
Wow.
one I made for the day of Hareli. Can you see?
Okay. Yeah.
Even Hareli wasn't during summer, but I still made it. And this
All
song,
right. Yeah, Jagannath
yes,
Yatra, I think, because of that.
yes. And my first
Wow.
painting during this summer vacation was this beach scene, kind of.
So cute. This is so cute. Like so
Yeah.
simple but so cute. You're quite
Yeah.
an artist. And I love that blue one, that forest one.